Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. We have a fun experiment to do today, and it all stems from my last video about the anti-fatigue mats and how improper disposal of the rags will spontaneously combust. All from something simple as an off-the-shelf product called linseed oil.
Linseed oil.
Linseed oil.
And the cause, linseed oil.
My neighbor across the alley, their house is exploding.
So let me set you up with a scenario. You wipe your wood down, you throw that rag on top of your wood project or into the trash can, you come back a couple hours later and it spontaneously combusts.
But like this blaze in Washington, D.C., they were caused without a spark. The flames started by themselves.
So what you have is regular linseed oil and boiled linseed oil. There's a little bit of a difference here. The regular linseed oil doesn't have an additive in it that accelerates the dry time. So supposedly it's that heat generated from that quicker dry time that's going to spontaneously combust your trash can, right? That sounds too good to be true. Is it how much linseed oil is on the rag? Is it the rag itself? Is it how it's been disposed of? Second, is there enough heat generated to spontaneously combust a rag on fire with an off-the-shelf product? I think it'll be a fun experiment here in the shop, so let's get to it. So we've set up the experiment. We have 5 containers. We're going to fill with different amounts of linseed oil. We have 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 6 tablespoons, 8 tablespoons, and then a cup and a half of linseed oil with 3 rags thrown into it. And we'll watch the heat rise and see if there is any truth to this myth at all. I could visually see some smoke after about 3 hours. Man, and the smell, pretty bad. The test shows the more linseed oil on the rags, the hotter it gets. Wow, the heat generated by this linseed oil after about the 4th hour is very impressive. There's definitely enough energy here to light something on fire. Pretty scary. I used a paint roller on my last build to apply the linseed oil. I want to know how hot that got. So I'm going to set it up just like I did before and leave it for a few hours. Okay, so it's been 3 hours with this roller sitting here, and on the last test it was about the 3-hour mark. I haven't even seen a hint of smoke. It's 70 degrees. Myth busted. Linseed oil, no fire. Someone mentioned folding an oil-soaked rag is bad. I want to test that too.
I had put it sort of folded on itself into a corner of the garage.
Suddenly, they were fighting for their lives.
Okay, so we got 112 degrees on this rag. I can feel it's warm to the touch, but it's basically been 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours, and I haven't seen any higher than that. After 4 hours, things got pretty scary. This rag got super hot. Folding your rags definitely isn't proper disposal, but we still didn't get fire. I think we've proven that these rags generate enough heat. Now we need to do some real-world testing. Let's just throw it in a trash can full of combustibles and see what happens. It's been 4 hours since we've thrown these rags on top of this pile without any reaction, and I'm pretty disappointed. There's supposed to be fire. I feel like we did everything right. We soaked the rags in the right amount of oil. We just threw them on top of this trash. There's enough dry material here that even soaked up oil, and the highest we can get is 82, 85 degrees. I thought this was gonna be easy, but it's actually pretty difficult to light this on fire. I think the circumstances have to be just right in order to do this. There's supposed to be fire in here. I'm very disappointed in the outcome so far. I was really hoping for some action going on, but we're gonna continue to keep an eye on it. My hopes aren't high to see some of the reactions I'm after. What does it need to start fire? More linseed oil and more trash? Well, I think that's obviously the next step. So let's make big fire.
Were fighting for their lives.
There were flames shooting 30 feet.
Everyone, this is no joke. These rags are highly flammable when they're soaked with linseed oil. These rags will spontaneously combust. Please lay the rags flat on a concrete floor to dry after you've soaked them in water. That seems to be the best solution. Please, please, please be very careful. Dispose of them properly. Please subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Smelling bad. We need fire, come on.